brand new, and everything that you're gonna see here is included. Of course, including the built-ins. Although wala pa yung refrigerator, pero kasama na lahat ng mga AC units. And then yes, as you might have guessed, it's a very industrial modern aesthetic. So if you're curious, this is an AAV. Watch the full house tour. Today we'll be going around this brand new house and lot for sale here in Ayala Alabang village. So you have a very modern facade and you have an automated gate that leads to your 2-vehicle carport. You have an area here on the left side that's going to lead us to the service area, but of course we're going to go through the main entrance. You do have a pedestrian gate right here, right in front of the pedestrian, or rather of the main entrance, pero dito na tayo dumaan sa gate mismo. You also have a garden space here at the front. Okay, so when you enter through your solid wooden door, ooh, love this. Oh, salamin pala siya, akala ko bintana. That's nice, that's very smart. It expands the space. So you have this open area for your living as well as your dining. And then you have mirrors on that side. So ito glass, obviously it lets in lots of natural light and kita mo yung garden mo out in the front. But then here, we have sliding doors. Oh, that leads to bedroom number 1. Well, that depends kung anong gusto mong gawin dun sa space na to, of course. If you want to turn it into a family room or an office, pwede rin naman. But we're gonna say that this is bedroom number 1 for the sake of this tour. Beautiful lighting. Again, you have a window here to let in lots of natural light as well as ventilation. May kasama na rin siyang screen, metal screen. And then here you have an ensuite toilet and bath with a sink, a toilet, and a partially enclosed shower space. And then meron na rin awning window dito para hindi kulob after you shower. Okay, but let's go back to the main area because there's lots of things to talk about here. So you have high ceiling, ganda, diba? So you have high ceiling, lots of matte black lighting fixtures that really emphasize the space. So obviously this one goes right above your dining table, that one goes above your coffee table if you have one in your living area. And then you have directional lights pointing to maybe artwork on that side of the wall. But speaking of wall, I love this accent. This is a very nice feature. So the rest of the wall is basically fluted panels, wood. And then this is rock-like. But it's not actually rock, but it looks like it. Ganda ng pagkagawa. But yeah, so you have matte, dark gray. You have the warm woods, diffused white, and then light grays. Look at the shadows. Ang ganda. So right in front of your dining area, you have your main stairs as well as your kitchen. Now your kitchen has a U-shaped counter. Itong part na to, bar. So pwede ka maglagay ng high stools dito and entertain whoever is sitting there while you cook. But as I mentioned, you have a U-shaped surface over here where you can work. You have your induction stove here as well as an oven underneath. And then your sink here on the far end. And then you have open shelving to display what have you. And then lots of storage underneath. You also have a window here in front of your sink, as well as a door right next to it that leads to the service area that I mentioned from earlier. So, mababalik ka dun sa two-vehicle carport mo. And then, on the other side, we have two doors over here. Let me just check it out. So, this one is a full toilet and bath with a sink, a toilet, and shower space. And then this is the staff quarters na puro pintura sa ngayon. Puro construction materials pa siya. Again, brand new. Okay, so let's go back in to the kitchen. So this is where your refrigerator is going to go, and then the rest is basically just storage, floor to ceiling storage. And again, you have high ceiling here. Right next to this one, we have a door. Oh, that's cute. That leads to the guest accessible powder room. So you have your sink, your toilet, and you have some shelving over here to display, again, like your little knickknacks and stuff, or art. So basically, I would say that this house looks like modern industrial, yung kanyang design. Okay, so before we head up the second floor, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. If you want to see more of our videos here or more of our listings here in Ayala Alabang Village, make sure you let us know, send us a message, or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. Okay, so here on the second floor, we basically have a clearing enough for the three doors that are on here. So let's check this one out first. And this is bedroom, okay. This is bedroom number 2. Wow, I didn't expect this high of a ceiling. So yeah, you have high ceiling, you have lots of natural light coming in from your fixed windows. So for example, itong cluster of windows na to, these are fixed, pero to awnings, we can open that up. So this one is somewhat, excuse me. Sininok. Ayun. So this one is fixed, and then this and this you can open. And again, it already has the metal screen. Ay, hindi pala metal to. And then you have an ensuite, toilet and bath, with a cute sink, with a sink, a toilet, and a partially enclosed shower space, which has its own dramatic lighting, by the way. Very cave-like yung dating. Oh, okay. Naloko ako doon. Akala ko mas may depth siya. Okay, so see? So even here in this open area, you still have high ceiling. And technically, you can put like maybe a small desk for an office or something. It's up to you kung ano yung kailangan nyo. Then over here, we have bedroom number 3. Again, you have lots of vertical space. Ooh, parang sarap if ever, like if you have like 2 daughters or something and you wanted to put bunk beds, kayang-kaya kasi ang taas ng ceiling. May bang na rin siya for your main light in the middle, and then you have pin lights or down lights on all corners. Then you have this window again, and these 2 you can open, and then this is fixed. This also has an ensuite toilet and bath with a sink, your toilet, and then your enclosed shower space this time. Ooh. I like this one. It's wood. Pero actually metal siya, but it looks like wood. And so again, very industrial with the grays, the dark, light and dark grays, the woods, the matte blacks, and then the industrial finishes. And the final bedroom, bedroom number 4. Okay, so this one has a lot more space, and this is at the front of the property. You can see your neighborhood. Again, this is Ayala Alabang. Lots of windows for that, but still has enough privacy, especially if you put curtains in there or any kind of window treatment, really. And then this is the space for your bed. From the looks of it, a queen-size bed would be perfect. Tapos may dalawa kang side tables on either side. Then you have a little bit of space for a desk, some desk space over here, or maybe entertainment for a TV. Actually, dun yung TV sa gitna ng bintana, mga bintana. But yeah, you have lots of wall space for photographs, artwork, etc. And then you have an ensuite toilet and bath over here. Love the tiles. Galing na, para lang siyang ganun-ganun. Hindi mo masyadong kita yung termination ng tiles. Okay, so anyways, so you have your toilet, your urinal, your his and her sinks, and then your partially enclosed shower space on the other side. Nasa likod kasi ng door. But I'm sure you can see it in the B-roll. And then you have medicine cabinets already installed. This, if I'm not mistaken, is a light. Is it a light? Or sabitan lang? Oh, baka sabitan lang. And then on this side, check it out. You have a wardrobe area. And at the very end is a vanity. So these are all smoked, you know. So they're all glass. So you can see what's inside them, but it's also very dark, so hindi siya cluttered tignan. Okay. And also, if you're wondering where the natural light is coming from, it's because this has clerestory windows na sliding. Okay, so that is it for the second floor. Before I give you a recap, make sure you concentrate on these really nice details through the B-rolls. So basically, you have a nice family home here in Ayala Alabang. And these are the details. You have 163 square meters of lot area and then about 185 square meters of floor area. 4 bedrooms, 4 toilet and baths, 1 powder room, and then a 2-vehicle carport. And one of the bedrooms is here on the ground floor. And then everything is packaged in a, again, modern, industrial, somewhat minimalist package. Your gate is automated. You have a pocket garden out in front. You have a service area as well as staff quarters. And basically all of the areas here are high ceiling. So if this has been something you've been looking for, and again, this is an Ayala Alabang Village, make sure you let us know, send us a message, or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. If you want to see more house tours, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more of our Build Your Owns or BYOs, click here. And if you want to see more of our other content, click right here. Also, if you haven't subscribed,